This video will show you how to create features out on this surface. So you can't start a sketch on a round surface. You have to have it on a flat plane, just like a piece of paper is flat. So to do this, you're going to have to create something called a work plane. You haven't seen these yet, but I'll show you how to do this one. So you click on this plane button and hit the drop down. And you want this last one in the tangent list. So I'm going to click this, and what this means is you need it to be tangent to a surface. So you want it to be, if you're putting your feature out here, such as a power button, click that, and now you need to find parallel to what plane. So this is going to depend on your model, but you're going to come in here and click this arrow next to the origin button, and now you want it to be parallel to that plane so that it's out front. Let me show you so that you make sure you see what I mean. If I give you a straight on view, you'll see that that plane is out on the side. You don't want this one because it's the bottom. So you would only use that if you were creating features on the bottom or the top. And then this is the front or the back. So basically it depends on what surface you want to draw on. But you have to pick the plane that is parallel with the direction you want to draw on. So if I click this, now you'll see I have this yellow work plane out here. So now what do you do with this? Now you can say start 2D sketch, and you will pick the work plane. To pick the work plane, you can't actually pick in the middle of the plane. You actually have to pick over on the edges. And now once I do this, you can see I can draw, if it's a power button, you can draw with the slot tool, whatever you want. So that, for example, I want you to notice that it's out on this plane now, okay? You would want to fully constrain that, and I'm going to hit finish sketch, and now you can extrude it. If you have it coming out, first of all, that's a little bit too far, but it won't then be back on the surface. Do you see how there's like a hole between the button? So you want to go inward with it. There we go, double click my middle mouse button. That might not be coming far enough. So you want it to go this way so it matches the phone, but then out maybe a little bit too. So what you could do is this other distance, maybe make it a small amount. That still looks too big. You will have measured this. I'm not measuring these parts. I'm just showing you how to create them. So now you can see I went a little bit in with the button. Sorry, let me give you a better view. So you can see there are two arrows. In fact, this one really doesn't need to be that far in. You might want to make it a little bit smaller, just in case it interferes with something else. So now you can see it's coming in towards the rounded feature and out. I'll hit OK so that you can see what this button looks like. And now you can turn off the work plane if you want. Right click here and check visibility. And now you have a button. You can color this button independent of everything else just by clicking here and then clicking the color button. Obviously you don't want bright blue, but I'm just showing you so you can see how that works. That's it.